So me and Penny go on a lot of walks, and I got one of these things that actually holds food in the bottom of it. So this one here has food in the bottom of it. And I also got one that's just for just water. So if you check this out, the way it works is you just fill it up with the water, rotate this on, and then when you want to turn it on to turn the water out, you just gonna rotate this. You see this little section here turns, opens up the little valve, and the water comes out into here. So she can have a little drinky poo, and then I can close it back up again, and we're ready for the next one. So that's kind of cool. So I can just take some water with us as we go for walks without having to stop and figure out what I'm gonna do for water. So, I mean, because I could take a water bottle, but I don't usually have a place for her to drink it out of. So now she will. How cool is this? So super neat little device, super simple concept. I mean, it's great, I like it. And I can just hook this up to her little bag that I take with her when I take her anywhere. And then she is ready to go. I could even just hang this from her leash thing that I have. So really cool, I like it. Thumbs up.